stiff combo penalty of huge fines and license revocation may not suffice to change a driver's ways behind the wheel and on the road. So the Department of Transportation is dead serious in throwing a shame campaign into the mix to add humiliation to the hurt. A rogues gallery of the country's worst drivers for all to see online, as our Bernard Ferrer reports.
The days of motorists who recklessly violate traffic laws are over. The Department of Transportation, or DOTR, is planning to publicly release a list of errant drivers as part of its efforts to instill discipline on the road. According to the department's record, the Land Transportation Office, or LTO, has issued a total of 2,008 show cause orders over the past 6 months. During the same period, the agency also revoked 420 drivers' licenses.
May plano kami ngayon na every week magpapublish kami ng listahan. We will probably call it yung huwag niyong tularan o huwag niyong pamarisan list. Para lang matuto. Kung di kayo madagasan o kung di kayo matatakot sa kaso, sa multa, baka dito mahiya kayo.
DOTR Secretary Vince Dizon said their legal team is currently reviewing the procedures that need to be followed before the list of traffic violators can be officially released. Once the guidelines from the LTO are approved, the measure will be immediately implemented. Secretary Dizon clarified that only the names of violators will be made public and no sensitive information will be included. In addition, the DOTR is also studying the possibility of increasing fines for traffic violators to further encourage road discipline. Meanwhile, Secretary Dizon has recommended to the LTO the immediate revocation of the driver's license of a female lawyer involved in a traffic violation in Kawit, Cavite. Based on the initial investigation, traffic enforcer Michael Trejico flagged down the said motorist after she sideswiped a tricycle. However, instead of stopping and settling the matter, the lawyer speed up, forcing Trejico to cling onto the hood of the vehicle.
Kaysa naman po mapilaliman ako, doon na po ako sa hood. Hanggang tumatakbo po, tinulinan niya pa po yung pagtakbo niya at pinaandar pa po yung wiper. Hanggang makarating kami sa bahay niya, hindi po, pagbaba niya po ng sasakyan, minura niya po ako.
According to Secretary Dizon, the DOTR is ready to provide legal assistance to Trejico. The lawyer is now facing charges of direct assault. Bernard Ferrer from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.